Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Confirm your origin server answers on port 443 and returns a certificate chain. Inspect the cert's expiration date, common name, and chain. If any link is missing, browsers will fail. Once done, check your CDN or reverse proxy configuration and set it to full or full strict only if the origin certificate is valid. Make sure TLS versions and preferred ciphers are compatible, because mismatches often trigger a 526 Invalid Ssl certificate error. If the certificate is invalid, replace it. Generate a new CSR on the origin, request a cert from a trusted CA, and obtain the full certificate chain. Install the server certificate plus any intermediate certificates in the correct order on your web server. Missing intermediates commonly cause the 526 error. Once installed, restart or reload the web server. Then validate the end-to-end chain with OpenSL Client Connect Origin 443 or your diagnostic tool to confirm the origin. Now presents a Once the origin serves a valid chain, make sure your CDN or proxy successfully establishes a TLS handshake. Test with curl, or remote checks, because local tests can hide network issues. If you must use a self-signed certificate temporarily, set the CDN to full, not strict, but plan to replace it with a trusted cert to restore strict security. If problems persist, review CDN error details and origin TLS logs for handshake errors, and rotate keys or adjust cipher suites as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.